Hi, today I will tell you how you can delete your Instagram account. First, click on your picture here. Then click on these three lines. And you will see this option. Click on Settings and Privacy. And then click on Account Center. After it, click on Accounts. And now click on Account Ownership and Control. Now click on Deactivation and Deletion. Select your profile you want to delete. And now just select the delete account option and press continue. Select a reason for deleting your account and just click continue. Enter your password to make sure it's you that you are deleting your account, and then finally confirm the account deletion for permanently. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to show your love on the like button. Bye.